In this last section, we'll take a look at Orchestra's monitoring features and learn how to set up alerting. We'll also take a look at some of reliability features as well. So let's check it out. So if you come to Orchestra and you choose pipelines, here you can easily monitor all your pipeline runs. You can see the statuses of each of these pipelines and when it was run last. But if you would like to look at your tasks, you can actually go to Analytics. And here in the Analytics dashboard, it kind of gives you like a broad overview of all your pipeline runs, your task runs, like your average duration, what are your top task metrics, and also your task run summary, where it gives you the status of each of these tasks. And again, when it was started, when it was completed, what was the average duration. And if you would like to know more information about the metadata of this task run, you can just click on this and select any of these resources, click on view details, so you'll get like detailed logs, or you can actually see what are the environment variables which were passed, the task parameters, like the run parameters, like how much memory and CPU was used. So Orchestra has a good like modern UI which provides all this information. So now coming up to setting up alerting, let's go to the pipelines page, and we can set up alerting by editing this pipeline. You can come to alert settings here and you can add a name. So let's just say task alert for parallel script. And then you can select a resource. Here it could be a pipeline or a task. So let's just select task. And here you could condition that this alert should come only if the task succeeded or maybe like say failed. And then you can write a custom message if you want. And now let's add a destination. So you get many different integrations, but for now let's choose email. And you can add your email here, maybe gmail.com. And then just press done. And then now you can just press done. So you successfully added alerting for this task. And it's as simple as doing this. Now let's take a look at some of reliability features offered by Orchestra. So now let's go to a different pipeline. So let's go to this backfill pipeline. Let's edit this. And so let's edit this task. And then here we can see we have retries, we have retry delay and timeout. So retries mean how many times Orchestra tries to rerun your task if it's failed. So you can give a value like 3, where Orchestra will try to run your task 3 times. And retry delay is basically the time period which Orchestra waits before trying to run your task again. So I think this is in minutes, so you can give like 3 minutes between each retry. And timeout is the maximum time a task is allowed to run. So if a task runs beyond this time, Orchestra stops this task execution and gives a timeout error. So these are the 3 reliability features offered by Orchestra. On a closing note, with DLT you get effortless data ingestion and features like incremental loading and schema management and tracking pipeline state. With Orchestra, you get lightweight and serverless scheduling, orchestration, and parallel execution of your pipelines using modern UI. And together, they offer a Python-centric data workflows which lets you build scalable production-grade data pipelines. Thank you for taking this course, and I really hope you took away something valuable. I hope to see you in a future course, and until then, take care, and I hope your pipelines run green. See ya!